So before I get started on this video, I was promised I would do a review of the Motor Fume car fragrance air fresheners. The guys over at Motor Fume sent me this little, they sent me this little box with a little thank you on it. And inside we have the Motor Fume air freshener. Now what's unique about these is because you can choose which scent you want. So I went for Paco Rabanne 1 million, that's one of my favourite fragrances, and it smells exactly the same. But the quality of it is just so much better. I mean, this one I've got here is from a name brand retailer. This smells like Paco Rabanne 1 million, and it's not overpowering. A lot of air fresheners like that one there are just so in your face. You get in the car, you're like, oh, that stinks. It's just a nice scent in the background, and they're not that expensive either, really. I mean, compared to a Magic Tree that'll last you, I don't know, a few days before it stops smelling. I mean, I didn't want to do a review on this when I first opened it. I didn't want to sort of get out of the box and be like, oh, it smells really nice, because I wanted it to be an honest review. And I mean, I've had this now for about 2 weeks, and it smells as good, if not better, than it did the day that I hung it up. So if any of you guys want to check out Motor Fume on Instagram, I'll link their Instagram down below in the video. Now on with the video, and cut back to me from 3 weeks ago. Good morning. Welcome back once again to another video on the Leon, on the project. Today, going to be doing a bit of painting, a little bit bodywork kind of stuff. Plan is to black out all the badges, just, you know, standard stuff. The front and rear Seat badges are going to get blacked out. I'll take the Leon badge off the back, get all the sticky off from behind that. Ooh, I had something else, yes. 2,500 wet and dry. I'll flat the bonnet down because there's no lacquer on it, and then I'm going to re-lacquer it, flat that down, hopefully it should come like new. Let's get on with the video. Bit of primer on there, so they're primed. I'm going to try and fix the heat gun, get these dry, get some satin black on them. Sweet.
I mean, it's not worth it for what you're trying to do with it.
No.
Are you going to try sanding it?
Coming up all right. First bit of lacquer on. Just getting there. Uno momento, por favor. I'd like to interrupt this video with an important announcement. I'm a fucking idiot. So basically, I've been recording all the footage of me, you know, sanding the bonnet down and stuff, and then it got too hot and I stopped. So those videos where I was sanding the bonnet, you know, getting the lacquer on, starting to polish it. Well, I don't even think I got as far as trying to polish it, but basically it was like 29 degrees, I think, outside. And I was like, too much, far too much for me. Point is, the next clips are going to be from, I mean, those were from 3 weeks ago, so this is going to be more recent. But I'm just going to I'll get a few clips of clean the car. I've got the new Sadboiraceclub number boards to go on, so I think I'll put those on, wash the car, and I'll be able to show you how the bonnet looks now. Here we go. Oh, another hot day. Got everything done I want to get done today. Got the car washed, snow foamed, got all the soot off the back, and most importantly, got those sweet Sadboiraceclub stickers on. So yeah, that's the car's clean, you know, back to how it should be. Although I did knock the rear wiper bung into the boot with the jet wash, but I'll fish that out tomorrow. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.